In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or restore a chat in Microsoft Teams. We'll go through this step by step so you can feel comfortable managing your messages efficiently. First, sign into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're not already logged in, open the Teams application on your device or access the Teams website. Enter your email and password when prompted to gain access to your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to start managing your chats. Next, navigate to the chat section and locate the conversation that contains the message you want to delete. Open the chat and hover over the specific message. You'll notice a small menu icon with 3 dots appear on the right-hand side. This is the More Options menu, which allows you to make changes to your message. Click on the 3 dots to open a drop-down menu, then select Delete. Your message will be removed immediately. Deleting messages is a great way to keep your conversations organized, remove mistakes, or clear irrelevant information. Sometimes, however, we delete messages by mistake. Microsoft Teams makes it easy to undo this action. Immediately after deleting a message, you'll see an undo button appear in the chat window. You only have a short window of time to use this feature, so act quickly. Click Undo, and your deleted message will be restored instantly. This simple feature is perfect for recovering messages you didn't mean to remove. By following these steps, you now know how to delete and restore messages in Microsoft Teams. This keeps your workspace tidy and ensures that important conversations remain accessible. Remember, the undo option is time sensitive, so stay alert and be ready to restore a message if necessary. I hope this guide has helped you feel more confident in managing your chats. These tips make navigating Teams easier and help you stay organized. If you found this tutorial useful, consider sharing it with others who could benefit from learning these practical steps. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging!